Hi everybody! See, I did it again. If you saw my last video, you know that I always go, hi everybody, I'm GiGi of GiGi Eats Celebrities. But at this point, if you've been following my YouTube channel and my blog, you know I'm GiGi of GiGi Eats Celebrities. So I don't know that I feel like I should introduce myself anymore. It's weird. Whatever. You guys in the comments below tell me how I should introduce myself in the beginning of each video. Anyways, I don't know if you guys have looked outside recently, but things are starting to brighten up. Things are starting to bloom, things are starting to grow again. It's starting to not be as cold. Yeah, that's right. Spring is around the corner. Now, I won't lie to you, I am not a big fan of spring. In fact, I hate spring because I really hate summer. I hate being hot, hate it. Who cares if my birthday is in the summer? I hate summer. That being said, the only reason why I love summer is because it's that much closer to fall, and fall is my favorite season. Anyways, enough about my favorite seasons because that's not the point of this video. The point of this video is to show you a springtime recipe. I'm sort of ahead of the gang right now because I have a feeling in the next couple weeks, a bajillion recipes for what I'm about to show you are going to be popping up on all the food blogs. So I just wanted to get ahead of the pack. Yeah, I'm trendy like that. Anyways, the recipe I want to make today is actually for deviled eggs. However, my recipe, not devils. They're like angel eggs. I think I'm gonna call this recipe angel eggs because they include grass-fed and grass-finished ground beef. Yeah, I just said beef in deviled eggs. That sounds very weird. They also include omega-3 enriched eggs and avocado. It's a super easy recipe I have never made before, but it sounds really good to me because when I order burgers at restaurants, I typically get an egg on top, and that combo is just like, oh, orgasmic. So I figured this deviled egg recipe could include beef and might be delicious, might be disgusting. I'm thinking it's going to be delicious, especially because I'm going to add a little bit of avocado. Frickin' love avocado. I don't know about you guys, but I'm sort of obsessed, just saying. Anyways, I'm gonna show you guys how. I'm just going all over the place with my hands. Whoa! But anyways, for real, I'm going to show you guys how to make this recipe. It's super simple. I already have my hard-boiled eggs right here. I have been told that once you boil them, you put them in cold water because that'll help the peeling process. I don't know about you guys, but sometimes when I peel eggs, half of the egg white gets stuck on the shell, and I'm like, okay, well, there goes that fucking egg. And it's really, really annoying. And you know, when you're a food blogger, you gotta take all the nice photos, and when the eggshell is ripping off the egg white, yeah, well, that's not gonna make for a pretty photo. Whatever, we'll see what happens. I also have my grass-fed beef right here. Beef, yeah. Guys, I'm not talking about salmon today, or bananas, or coconut flour, or whatever. I'm talking about the meats. The meats, baby. Whee! Okie dokie. So let me grab my little contraption, because you guys know what that is. Here she is. Stunning as fuck. Let's hope I don't kill myself today walking into this pole potentially. I think the first thing that I'm going to do actually is cook the meat. I'm gonna have to bring my little baby over here. Woo! I love that she turned. And she is a she apparently, even though she's got a long pole. Maybe she's a tranny. I don't know. We're not gonna go there either. I'm just rambling and I should probably shut up. Now I'm gonna put this aside and I'm going to attempt to peel these eggs. Hopefully they work out. God, I love how she pivots. Pivotation here, the pivotation, because that's a fucking word. All right, so let me start recording. That would be a smart thing. Let's see. Didn't even crack. All right, there we go. Oh my God. I cannot believe how well this is turning out right now. Luck is on my side. No! Oh, this bitch is naughty. This is the devil egg right here. No! And fail. Oh, why are you being such a dick? No! No! Look at it! Whatever. At least I got 3 out of 4. Maybe I'll just use this one for the yolk. Maybe I'll even just cut this whole thing up and put it in the mix. I don't know. That's actually a good idea. I'm gonna do that. Now these 3 eggs right here, I'm only gonna cut in half and take the yolk out and discard the yolk. Now, I'm not saying yolks are a bad thing, they're just not necessary for this recipe, at least not all 4 of them. In fact, that is a huge misconception. Egg yolks are good for you. Now, if you have high cholesterol, I do recommend that you talk to your doctor before you chow down on eggs, but egg yolks, good, healthy fat, necessary for your life. Necessary, just like fat from an avocado. Now, I love this salt, AVOCADOS herbivore. It's frickin' awesome. Natural fine sea salt infused with organic herbs and vegetables. I'm not being sponsored by them, just really like it. Now I'm gonna put it aside and I'm going to actually discard the yolk in my eggs. Ooh, that's a meaty bite. This recipe was so easy to make. I don't know if you guys noticed that. If you think that that was actually challenging, then I'm a little concerned for you. But seriously, this was easier to make than calling for takeout. Sometimes those menus can be really, really hard to decipher. But this recipe right here, not hard to decipher at all. It's simply grass-fed beef, eggs, salt and pepper, and avocado. Sure, it's easy to make, but is it tasty? Well, my nose likes to think that it is because it smells so damn good in here, but my mouth needs to make that decision right now. Oh no. It literally touched my tongue and was like explosion of flavor. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so good. Yeah, sayonara suckers right here. I am eating all of you. I feel really badly because I feel like Landon's gonna come home soon and be like, how was cooking that recipe? And I'm gonna say, what recipe? What are you talking about? I don't recall ever saying that I was filming a recipe video today, huh? What? Oh my God. I have to let you guys know that my favorite food group is fat. I love fat. Oh, it's so good. Hence why I love salmon so much. It's so fatty. This right here doesn't disappoint anyone who's got that fat tongue. Now that sounded really weird, but when I say fat tongue, what I mean is you like the macronutrient fat the most. Totally keto friendly right here, just saying. Maybe this recipe is going to make me like spring. Granted, I could literally make this any time of the year, so it doesn't matter. In fact, this could be a Thanksgiving appetizer. Hello. I just have to get over the fact that spring is near because it's coming up, so I might as well embrace it. Just like all of you, unless you're vegan or vegetarian, need to embrace this recipe. My brain just makes up these magical recipe creations. I love you, brain. Thank you for that. Speaking of brain, this is brain food. Just saying. Okay, now I'm rambling, and I would keep going if I allowed myself to. But I'm gonna say thank you so much for watching. Thank you, Spirit Fingers. And I do hope you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let me know what you think about this recipe in the comments below. Let me also know what your favorite spring recipe is. And if you have any suggestions as to what I should create in this kitchen, well, lay it on me. I'm waiting and hungry. Bye.